Hello everyone and welcome to the Tellow Family Kitchen where we're enjoying the summer vacation. Hope you're having a great one too. And it got me to thinking about desserts this time of year. A lot of people go camping and one of the classics they always go with is the s'more. That's what we'll be making today. Some of the earliest mentions are from Girl Scout cookbooks in the 1930s. As the story goes, everyone who had some asked for s'more, which was shortened to s'more. That's where the name came from. And before we get to the ingredients, just a reminder, all our new episodes are available in 4K. Here's how you can watch in the highest quality. Just click this gear icon, click quality, and see if it's in 4K. If it's not, you can just change it manually. So just our three famous ingredients, the graham crackers, here's our chocolate, and then 2 types of marshmallows, different sizes, just for variety. Okay, so we'll get our cracker here. By the way, you don't have to cut this in half. You could make that like a full size if you want. And then chocolate is also, you can do 2 pieces or just 1 if you would rather have just 1. Okay. And then I'm going to go with a little bit bigger marshmallow because so far we've had, let me show you the different sizes. This is one that was the big size, a little bit too big. Here's one with the smaller marshmallows, a little bit, maybe not enough marshmallow, so this time I've adjusted this marshmallow and let's see what happens. Okay, we'll get this here and try that. By the way, if you don't have a gas stove like this, don't worry, I'll show you another method you can use in a minute. Okay, I think that's good, and then we'll get it over here onto our chocolate if we can. As Hamilton Porter from The Sandlot said, kind of messy, but good. Once more. Another approach, if you don't have a gas stove, you can simply put it in the microwave. On ours, it takes about 13 seconds, and it should be perfectly melted and ready to go. That's another good approach. I'll watch it here. There we go. You can see already the marshmallow kind of expands nicely. And there we go, another s'more. Now the fun part, we'll give it a taste. Just so comforting. If you've had that, you know how good it is. And of course, no wonder it's become a beloved American dessert for generations. Really appreciate you guys watching. Thanks so much to Mom for her help running the camera. And hey, really hope you tune in next time where we'll do something in the Tellow Family Kitchen that we've never done before. Until then, we'll see you next time.